Hey everybody, this is going to be a song for the soundtrack challenge. You might remember the movie Magnolia, featuring Tom Cruise and Philip Seymour Hoffman, amongst others. This is, one is the loneliest number, originally by Three Dog Night, but on the soundtrack, Amy Mann performed it. She's phenomenal. I got to see Amy Mann in a show in New York City. It was great. So anyways, if you know this song, you can help me sing one is the loneliest number. If you know it, please join in. Thank you very much. Thank you.